If you're seeing the OneDrive error that says something went wrong, don't worry. This is usually caused by a temporary website issue, a problem with your browser cache, an expired sign-in session, or sometimes even a Microsoft service outage. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get OneDrive working again without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Let's jump in. First, try the fastest fix, which is refreshing the page. Open your OneDrive tab and press Ctrl plus F5 on your keyboard. This forces a hard refresh, which reloads the page completely instead of using an old cached version. Once the page reloads, check whether the error message is gone. In many cases, that alone can solve the problem if it was only a temporary loading issue. If OneDrive is still showing the error, the next step is to sign out and sign back in. Click your profile picture in the top corner, then choose Sign Out. After that, close the browser completely, open it again, and sign back into OneDrive with your Microsoft account. A fresh login can fix session-related issues and restore access if your sign-in token expired or became corrupted. If that still doesn't work, try opening OneDrive in a private browsing window. If you're using Chrome, press Ctrl plus Shift plus N to open an Incognito window. Then go to OneDrive and sign in again. Private mode helps you test whether the problem is being caused by extensions, cookies, or stored browser data. If OneDrive works there, that usually means the issue is in your regular browser session. Now let's clear the browser cache, which is one of the most effective fixes for this type of error. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete to open the Clear Browsing Data window. Set the time range to All Time, then make sure cookies and other site data is checked and cached images and files is checked too. After that, click Delete Data. Once it finishes, sign into OneDrive again and test it one more time. Old or corrupted browser data can often trigger this "something went wrong" message, so this step is very important. If the problem still continues, the issue may not be on your side at all. Open your browser and search for status.cloud.microsoft. This is where you can check Microsoft's service status and see whether OneDrive is currently having an outage or service interruption. If there's a reported issue, the best thing to do is wait until Microsoft restores the service. In that case, nothing is wrong with your browser or account. The problem is on Microsoft's end. So to recap, if OneDrive says something went wrong, start with a hard refresh, then sign out and sign back in. Try a private window, clear your browser cache, and finally check Microsoft service status. One of these steps usually gets things working again. If this video helped you fix the problem, please hit like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.